Just one more level. Almost there. Ugh, no. 5 more minutes. Please.
Jake, did you play games all night again?
No. I was studying. Obviously.
The test is today, Jake. It is written right there on your wall. And you are still in bed.
The test! Oh no! Sophie, why didn't you wake me earlier? I just did, Jake.
Good morning, sweetheart. Come sit and eat something first.
No time, Mom. The test starts soon. I have to go.
Buddy, you look like you did not sleep at all last night.
8 hours. Full 8 hours. Totally fine. Goodbye. 8 hours. Sure, Jake. Very convincing.
Do not say one word at school. Not one.
Good morning. Put everything away. Test begins now.
Stay awake. You can do this.
You have 30 minutes. Read every question carefully. You may begin.
Stay awake, Jake. Please just stay awake.
Question 1. What is the capital of? What is the... Jake, wake up! This is a test, not a nap.
I am awake. Question 1. I know this. Think. Come on. I know this answer. I studied this last week.
Jake, please stay in your seat. I need to speak with you after class.
Yes, teacher. I am sorry.
Jake, did you sleep last night?
No, teacher. I played games. I am very sorry.
Take this home tonight, Jake. You need to show it to your parents. That is the rule.
Okay, teacher. Mom cannot see this today. I am not ready to tell her yet. So, Jake, how was the test today? Great, Mom. So easy. No problem.
Jake, so how did the big test go for you today?
Good, Sophie. Really good. Very fine.
Jake slept during the test, Mom. The teacher gave him an F.
Jake, is that true?
Just stay calm. Do not think about it. Everything is fine. Jake, the teacher said to show Mom the test paper. I know. I will. Later.
You look very relaxed there, buddy. Very normal.
Thank you, Dad. I am very relaxed.
You are very quiet tonight, Jake. Is everything okay?
Yes, Mom. Just tired from the test. Mom, Jake has something to tell you about the test. Sophie? No. Jake, you can tell me. It is about the test, Mom. Something happened. The teacher gave me this today. I hid it. I did not want you to see.
Jake, why did you hide this from me? I did not want you to find out, Mom. I was not ready.
I played games all night. I knew about the test. I could not stop. I am so sorry. I just wanted one more level, Mom. And then I could not stop.
I know, Jake. I know. I am not here to punish you. I am here to help. I did not want to disappoint you.
We all make mistakes, buddy. Even the best players do.
Even you, Dad.
I stayed up all night once. I fell asleep at work the next day.
You did that too?
Games are fine, Jake. But sleep comes first. Always.
I understand, Mom. Sleep before games. I knew it was in the bag the whole time, Jake.
Thank you, Sophie. Very helpful.
Honest is always better than hidden. Remember that.
I will, Dad. I promise. Study first. Then sleep. Games tomorrow. Just one more level. Tomorrow. Sleep is important. I know that now.
So, you want to make trouble today? No problem. I can fix anything.
Dad, are you sure we should not call someone?
Call someone? We are the someone, Jake. I can fix this. No problem. I know what I'm doing.
This is gonna be bad.
I heard that, Sophie.
Right. Yes, I see the problem. It is very clear. Simple. This will take 5 minutes.
Dad? Ooh, which part is that?
The broken one, Jake. Obviously.
Dad! Water is coming out.
I know. I know what I'm doing. Okay. That is more water than expected.
Dad! Turn it off!
Almost. I almost have it. Stay there.
Sophie, the machine is broken. Dad pulled something out. I'll get the mop.
There. Under control. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, the water stopped, but the machine is still broken.
Yes, Jake, it is.
It should have worked. The plan was good. The logic was correct. Mostly correct.
Is that the part that came off?
Yes. I am not certain where it goes back. You know, we could just call someone to fix it. I'll get the mop.
There are 4 pipes. I removed the fitting from that one.
Which one connects to the water?
Jake, I looked at all 4 pipes. I do not know where this goes. I may need help. Wait,
Dad, I think I saw this. I watched a video about this exact machine once. Okay, Dad. First step, Tang. Find the water inlet pipe. It is the main one.
all right, Jake, show me.
That one. The fitting goes back on that pipe.
See the thread?
Yes.
I see it now.
Slowly, Dad. Turn it clockwise.
Clockwise.
Right.
I knew that.
Wait. Is Jake the one fixing the machine now? Yes, Sophie. Step 2 is coming.
Good. Now tighten with the wrench. Not too much, Pine?
Just firm.
Firm.
Yes.
Step 2.
One more turn. Very slow.
Almost. Almost done. The screw went under the machine.
Yes. It did.
I can feel the floor. No screw yet.
It went all the way to the back, Dad. I watched the same video, Dad. I'll get the mop. Dad. I think we fixed it.
We fixed it.
Is it working? Does that sound right to you?
It sounds perfect, Jake. We did it! The machine is fixed. Team effort.
Jake and Dad, the best repair team.
The floor is dry now. You are welcome.
Sophie also helped. A lot. Jake, it is okay to ask for help. I know that now.
You were brave to listen, Dad.
Lucas, what happened?
I know what I'm doing.
Dad, you didn't.
He is right. Jake fixed it.
Stay together, everyone. This place is big and busy.
Yes, Mom. Stay together. Just a quick look. 2 minutes. Mom will not even notice. Mom? Where is Jake? Wow. Look at all of these. This is the best aisle in the whole world. You have 6 moves and a light-up sword. You are the one.
He went toward the toys. I know it.
I go left, you go right.
Okay. Mom is right around here somewhere. Probably the next aisle. Mom? Dad? Where are you? Wait. Which way did I come from? Aisle 4? Aisle 3?
Not in aisle 5.
Keep going.
Not here either. He must be further in.
Where are you? I do not see you.
Excuse me. Did you see a small boy? Blue shirt, very small?
Mom said something about what to do if you get lost. What was it?
If you are lost, do not keep walking. Stay in one place. Find someone who works here.
Green vest. Look for the green vest. That is what Mom said to do. Okay. Walk to her. Say excuse me. Ask for help. Do not stop. Keep going. You are okay. Excuse me, I am lost. I cannot find my mom.
Okay. You are safe here. What is your name?
Good, Jake. What does your mom look like?
Pink dress. Long brown hair.
She has a cart. I am going to call for your mom on the speaker. She will hear it.
Okay. Thank you.
Attention shoppers. A young boy named Jake is waiting at the customer service desk.
She said my name.
That is Jake. Customer service, the front desk.
Let us go, right now.
She will be here very soon, Jake. You did exactly the right thing. I remembered the rule.
Mom, I am here.
I see you, Jake. I see you. Are you okay? Are you hurt? I am okay, Mom. I stayed calm. I found help.
You found the green vest.
You knew about that too.
Thank you so much. He came to you on his own. He was very brave. He did everything right.
Okay, we finished the shopping. And this time, we all stay together.
Yes, Dad. Together.
You are very close right now, Jake.
I know. That is the rule. You are practically inside the cart, Jake. I am fine here. Thank you.
Good teamwork today, everyone. Especially the rule part.
Mom, I am sorry I left. I will not do that again.
I know you will not, Jake.
So,
No more looking at toys while we shop?
I will ask first. Then look. Stay together. I know that now, Mom. You did well today, Jake. I am proud of you. Best birthday plan ever. Mom will love it. Good plan. We start with the cake. Dad, your job is the balloons, all 30. Can you do it?
30 balloons. Understood. I will begin immediately.
We have the P-perfect plan. Mom will be so happy. What could go wrong? 11, 12, 13. The recipe says exactly 13. Jake, it says 1 cup, not 13 spoons. 30 minutes. The cake will be perfect. Okay, I will watch the time. You go help Dad. Dad? There are still 26 left. How long does each one take?
Each one takes about a while. That one did not survive.
That is fine, Dad. We have 25 more.
We have 15 minutes. How many balloons are ready?
4.
Okay, 4 balloons, that is fine.
Sophie, do you smell that? Yes. Get ready to open a window.
The top is burned. The cake did not work.
How burned is it?
Is the cake on fire? Are we on fire?
Not on fire, just very burned.
Open the back door.
This is fine. We buy a cake from the shop. New plan. Dad, how many are done now? 6.
My mouth is very tired, Jake.
The flowers are wilted. I forgot to water them yesterday. Sophie, how wilted? That wilted. This is fine. We put them in water. They may come back. Okay, 6 balloons, droopy flowers. The sign is good. This is fine.
The streamer is back up, Jake. Looking great.
Cake ming fixed, flowers ming still there, balloons 6. The sign is perfect. That one is yours. Smaller than I planned, but it says the right words. Happy birthday. That is what matters.
You know what? We worked hard. This is a real party.
I wanted it to be perfect for Mom.
Mom says Weck, coming home early. 20 minutes.
20 minutes, Jake.
You forgot to water the flowers, Sophie.
You forgot to set the oven timer, Jake. I planned everything. You were supposed to help. I did help, Jake. I helped with everything.
Hey, stop. Look at this room. You both did this together. Jake, what is really going on?
I just wanted it to be perfect. I wanted Mom to love it. I wanted her to be happy. It was supposed to be perfect. I just wanted it to be perfect for Mom.
I know, buddy. I really know. Jake, it does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be us.
Us made this? I am sorry about the oven timer comment.
I am sorry too. The flowers were not your fault.
10 minutes. Let us make the best bad party ever seen.
Best bad party. I can do that. Dad, the streamers are not straight.
They are festively diagonal, very modern.
There. It is a small cake, but it has candles. Mom will blow them out. That is the important part.
This is the most honest birthday party ever.
I made the letters big so she can read it.
She is here. Everyone be ready. Stand by the table. Jake.
Breathe.
Jake? Sophie? Did you do all of this?
We tried to make it perfect. The cake burned, so we bought one. The flowers wilted. Dad's balloons are not all round. This is fine.
Jake said what could go wrong at the beginning. Quite a lot went wrong.
Jake, you made this sign yourself? I used the biggest letters I could fit. Jake, this is not fine. This is more than fine.
Make a wish, Grace. Very special cake.
Corner shop cake. But we lit the candles.